I originally show this egg cooker that I have. So take it out. Some kind of detergent. I think for the sediments in case. So it's a quite heavy ceramic cap or cover. Alright, so I see a ceramic, it's like a soup container, right? I'm gonna put it down. Cap. Glass. Power cable. The rack for the eggs. And here's a machine. So the machine has different cook modes for the purpose of cooking or different styles of egg, and it also has other functions. So you can also make yogurt. Interesting. Alright, I'm gonna make a demonstration of this machine soon. Alright everyone, so now we will start to use the machine. You need to fill up the water until this level. So I'm going to fill up the water. In the top point. Alright. Now I'll prepare the eggs, so I'm going to put it into the machine. Okay. There are two grooves here, make sure it goes in. Alright. Next, gonna turn it on. So I'm gonna do soft boiled egg. So it's this option. So I'm gonna change the mode. Yeah, just let it be. It'll start by itself. I'm gonna cover it up. Okay, cover now and wait. So the cover has the grooves. So take that into account when you cover it, so it becomes tight. Okay, so now just need to wait for 15 minutes. So yeah, the egg is ready now, so I'm gonna show it to you. Hot. Alright. So now we're gonna take the egg out. Alright. So it's an easy system. So even just to remove the egg is very easy. So after you remove it, we'll set it down onto this plate. Alright, then wait for it to cool down a bit before we crack it open and have a look. Now we're gonna do a hard boiled egg. Alright. This is hard boiled egg mode. Cover it up. Interesting about the machine I noticed is that it doesn't go into full boil mode, so the water doesn't leak out of the system. It just goes high and low without reaching the boiling point itself. So I'm gonna remove the eggs and have a look. Make an onsen egg. So I put it in. Right. I'm gonna set the settings to the first one, onsen egg. With the soft boiled egg. I'm going to show you the heart of it. So you can see that the yolk is a different color and texture than normal hard boiled. So now I'm going to show you the hard boiled. cut the hard boiled egg. Right. You can see that the egg yolk, the color is perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the onsen egg. So yeah, there you go. These are the results from the machine. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for dropping by. See you guys next time. Just love you. Bye. God bless.